Hey guys! Well, hey there YouTubers, I hope everyone is well. Welcome into my kitchen. It is Sunday, so I decided to do a new video, and it is Sunday vlog style. As you guys know, the weekends I like to just be a little bit more relaxed and not so formal on the stock market news and drawing up on my charts. So I am in the middle of making my breakfast with some fresh bread, and I'm going to have some tofu, which will be delicious. But I just wanted to come on here really to talk to you guys about what has been happening in the stock market recently, and of course what we can expect moving forward, especially over the long term. So if you guys can see and predict change, then that is where you're going to want to put your money. Avocado? But I'm going to have an avocado with my breakfast because I've just found one in the fridge. So we talk a lot on this channel about electrical vehicles and how we see them being the future success, and the automobile industry is going to die off and we are going to have that transition into electrical vehicles. So this is where a portion of my portfolio is in fact invested in, and it is worth having your portfolio very diversified. So you want something like 20 to 25% of your portfolio diversified into different sectors. So if you've got 20% of your portfolio guys tied up into electrical vehicles, then perhaps if you are someone that is 30-35%, then maybe you should look at putting your future investments into different sectors. So sectors of other growth, or potentially financials, utilities, and other different companies. And that way you're going to get a nice balance inside your portfolio. You're going to be diversified, which is going to allow you to have balance. And when we do have those red days and we have those sector rotations out of stocks like EV stocks, and again into those more infrastructure stocks like Brookfield Infrastructure and all of those kind of higher paid dividend stocks, if your portfolio is well balanced, then you're not going to have those panicking red days where your portfolio is heavily down because you are relying particularly on one sector. Now, one of my favorite stocks that we love talking about on this channel is NIO, and I did do a fantastic video on NIO yesterday. So if you are someone that is new to my channel, again, my name is Jason, go and check out that video. Don't forget to go down there, hit like and subscribe, and welcome to this family of investors. Now, NIO is in my top 5 holdings, and I do also have a video on my top 5 holdings. So if you want to know the top 5 stocks I'm holding inside my portfolio for the long term and why I am holding those stocks, then be sure to check out the link to this video above, because I put a lot of insight and a lot of work and time into that video to give you guys some insights into the useful information into my top 5 holdings. And if you are someone again that would like access to my private buy and sell alerts, then be sure to join the Patreon for the price of a coffee, just $4. And again, the link is down there below. And we've been smashing it on the Patreon. Again, a big shout out to all of our amazing patrons. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. So let me put my toast on and talk about the next sector of the stock market that we don't often talk about on this channel. Now, on this channel, guys, you are going to hear me talk about many different stocks and many different sectors, and not just electrical vehicles, even though we love talking about electrical vehicles. Another sector of the stock market that I'm heavily invested into, guys, is in fact the fintech industry. So blockchain technology, things like cryptocurrency and also digital wallets. So companies like PayPal and Square, guys, those companies long term that are going to see some nice revenues, those growth and future projections, and they are then going to start to pop up, and they are going to have things like insurances and other type of aspects to their business that they have not yet put their money into. And once we do see that transition, we are going to see those fundamental banks under a lot of pressure, and some of those companies in the S&P 500 are going to go down, and we are going to see that shift, like I said, to digital wallets, because ultimately you can do everything these days from your phone at the touch of a button. So why would you be paying someone else to do your own money and finances when in fact you could use your own money and time and leverage that into a digital wallet and do all of your own investing, and you won't need to pay anyone. Exactly like you guys are doing on this space here at YouTube. You're watching me learning about lots of different stock ideas and how in fact you can progress to make a passive income, and you can multiply your investment portfolio over the long term. So guys, if you are someone, like I said, that is new, then welcome inside. Don't forget to go down there, smash and like, and I hope that you guys have a fantastic weekend. So we are going to be concentrating on that fintech industry moving forward as well over the next few months. Once I get some more electrical vehicle videos out for you, we're going to be diving deep into Fisker stock, and we are going to have an update on that soon, as well as some of my other top favorite EV stocks out there. And so we are also going to be looking at some of those biopharmaceutical stocks, those companies like CRISPR, Intellia, and also Pact Bioscience, where we can see DNA sequencing start to come to life, and we can transition and move away from the everyday medical care that we have and going into a new era, a genomic revolution, and how it's going to change history, and how if we see the change now, we pop our money in there and we leave it for a long-term investment, we are going to grow some substantial wealth inside our portfolios. So guys, like I said, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoyed this little kind of channel into my energy, into my kitchen, into my space, and you got to see a little bit more of my being as a person and what I'm doing today. And I hope that you guys are well, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my channel soon for some more updates and content on our favorite stocks, EV, genomics, and in fintech. And I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.